Good morning. Wake up, it's a new day. Did you sleep well? Time to brush your teeth. Take a shower. Get ready for school. What's for breakfast? Eat your food slowly. Don't forget your bag. Let's go to school. Hi, good morning, teacher. Open your books, please. Listen carefully. Raise your hand to answer. It's break time. Let's play football. Be careful. Come back to class. It's lunchtime. The food smells good. Don't make noise in class. Pack your things. School is over. Let's go home. Wash your hands first. Do you want a snack? Let's watch some TV. Turn down the volume. Time for homework. Can you help me, please? Great job. Let's go for a walk. Look at the beautiful sky. Don't run too fast. Let's have dinner. The food is tasty. Pass me the water, please. Thank you for the meal. Clear the table, please. Let's feed the dog. Time to take a shower. Change into your pajamas. Let's read a story. This story is so funny. Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. Sleep well. Have sweet dreams. The house is quiet now. See you in the morning.